Hello everyone, we're here from the Speedy World Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So, so after round number 11, we'll end of this rapid chess tournaments in these 15 minutes games, and also we'll end of the Speedy World Rapid Chess Championship 2024. And also next is tournament is Speedy World Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So the time so the time games is 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment. Oh my god. We need to focus there on these masters, fasters, and so I think it's okay, very slow moves. It will need to thinking and focuses and this mathematician's brain there. So teammates from USA. We also have a woman grandmaster, Rochelle Wu. Oh my god, 18 years old her. And also Rochelle is defeated by Sultan Bek in Kazakhstan. So Rochelle, our battle is, so I am Alice Lee. So Alice Lee. Oh my god. Alice Lee is very master's chess. So focusing, and we need mathematicians moves, so we need to thinking focuses there. So it means Alice Lee is 15 years old. So Alice Lee will defeated in Valentina Gonina in Russia in rapid chess. So in this video, in part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games after round number 1 in Blitz. So white plays Wu d4, knight f6 Alice Lee, c4, e6, knight c3, d5, and c takes d5 is called Queen's Gambit decline and exchange variation. So the main line here is knight f3 or maybe queen's opening, so captured pawn, and also c3, and also bishop e7, and also bishop takes f4. So bishop takes f4 is there. So back there is, so c takes d5, pawn takes, bishop g5 threatening knights, and also bishop b4 threatening knights here, and also e3, h6 threatening bishop, and also bishop h4, g5 another threatening bishop, and also bishop g3. So h5, oh my god, h5 will coming pushes from h4. Oh my god. And also f3. So 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 f3 there. So it means f3. So f3 is first bad move of Rochelle Wu. So h so f3 is, doesn't want there in this computer engine in these moves. So the best moves here is only h4. So h4, if you capture these pawns or maybe bishop takes h4. So it means best moves in these games. So back there is f3, knight c6, brand X move. The branded move is push h4. Oh my god, push h4. So if backwards bishop f2 or maybe there g4. So it means g4. So very crucial move there, this one. Okay, back there is knight c6, queen d2, brand X move. So the branded move is backward bishop f2 backward. So back there is queen d2, h4 pushes. Oh my god, good move by Alice Lee. And also backwards bishop f2, g4. Oh my god, g4 will pushes from g3, and also pushes h4, and also bishop b5 threatening knight, another bad move by Wu. So the best moves is castle queenside only. So castle queenside. So back there is bishop b5, bishop d7. Another miss move is a6 there. So a6, if the bishop takes knight, and also so b takes c6. So fianchetto, double pawns there. So it means double pawns from fianchetto there. So back there is so bishop d7, castle queenside, h3. Oh my god. So h3, so it means h3. So it means threatening pawns. It means we'll capture the bishop. I mean, sorry. It means we'll capture this h takes g3 will threatening rook. Oh my god. Very, very dangerous in this one. And also g takes h3, g takes f3, another good move. And also queen c2, bishop takes c3, pawn takes, knight e2. So knight e2 threatening bishop there. And also knight takes f3. Oh my god. So knight takes f3 doesn't thinking of these moves of this Rochelle Wu. So it means I think lacking there this one is very she forgot these moves there. So bishop takes f3 is blunderatious by Wu. So blunderatious. So time check it so the total time the clock there white pieces is 13 seconds from Rochelle Wu. It means 2 minutes from Alice Lee. Oh my god. So thinking Alice Lee is very faster in these moves because Alice Lee is very critical thinker, is very focusing mathematician in these moves in this chess. So it means Rochelle Wu is very slow in this move there. So very forgot it. This thinking we need to focuses in these moves. We need to fast as you can. You need to mathematician in these games. So after knight takes f3, so what do you think of this first puzzle in making from this Alice Lee? So while waiting for that and for continue for that, start. Thank you so much here and congrats from everyone. Is queen f6, good move by Alice Lee. Bishop takes and also bishop takes c6 was resign. Why she resigns? Because if if knight d2 only move and also knight takes f2 double. Oh my god. So what do you think what do you think by Rochelle Wu is very crucial slowest move on this one. Oh my god. So we need to think of this brilliance, and we need brilliance from this to analyze from to focuses there if the correct moves, it means correct moves to well before will she wins of this chess tournaments there. So and also Alice Lee is very faster and to thinking and focuses. You need to focus from mathematicians. So I think math and science, this chess, I think it's very analyzed and focused to thinking in this chess moves there. So so congratulations from this IM International Master Alice Lee in USA. Wow. Congrats Alice Lee. Keep up the good work Alice Lee. So the next analyze there is this Blitz Chess Championship. So the IM or Grandmaster. So it means so the analyze there is Lei Tin Chi. So Lei Tin Chi in China. So versus from USA is Carissa Yip or Carissa Yip. So soon I will making this analyze there on these chess games there in this Blitz chess. So I hope this enjoyed this part of these videos there. So thank you for watching from this one. I'm Mark Lowagi 17. It means I call Mark 17. and Mark Luwagi 17 and this YouTube channel. So thank you so much here. Have a good day and keep safe and goodbye and sayonara.